Hello dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, first I would like to appreciate you all that you all did very nicely during your GK exam. Children, as you all know that second term has started and the chapter which we are going to cover is chapter number 22, our helper, and chapter number 23, team or solo. So, what do you mean by our helper? In this chapter, we will learn who are our helpers and we should always be thankful to them. And the meaning of our helper is the person who help us by doing their job. He's doing his job, but he's helping us. So, children, and he also makes our life easier, and sometimes they work in our home, sometimes they do different job, and since morning to evening we just get help from them. Suppose if we don't have a milkman, then you have to go outside and you have to bring the milk. If greengrocer or vegetable vendor is not there, then too you have to go outside and bring vegetable, so it will be difficult for you. So children, in this chapter we will see our help who help us in our daily lives, and we should thankful to them. So let's start the chapter. So here we have to fill in the blanks, and you can see the picture as well. We have clue box also. We will take help from the clue box, like spellings are there, so you can check it from the clue box also. So the first sentence is a dash brings packets or bottles of milk. So the person who brings milk for us is called a milkman. So this is a milkman, and you will write milkman in the blank. Now, second sentence is a dash bring newspaper in the morning. So children, early in the morning you get newspaper because of this paper boy only. So we call him paper boy. Number 3 is a dash bring fresh vegetable. So how did you get the fresh vegetables? Because of this vegetable vendor, or we can say greengrocer. He brings vegetables for you. So he is vegetable vendor. Now next is a dash delivers packages and letters. So he is none other than a postman. So he is the postman. He is the one who delivers packages and letters. Now next is a dash takes away trash. Who takes away trash? A garbage collector. And we should always thankful to him because he takes the garbage and makes our surroundings clean. Next is a dash washes the car in the morning. The one who washes the car is called a car washer. He makes your car clean and shiny. A dash protects us from thieves. So this you all are aware, and he is a police officer. a dash cooks food for us. So she is a cook. He or she can be a cook. Okay. Most of in our houses, our mother cooks our food, but sometimes if mummy is busy, then a cook come and he or she cook food for us. So the picture is of a lady, or we can say a cook cooks food for us. Children, now whiz fact time. Scrap dealers visit our homes to buy old paper, cardboards, and bottle. They sell these waste material to shops or factories. And children, why they sell these material? Because they want to recycle. Okay, so always just sell your scrap to the scrap dealers. Don't throw it into the dustbin. So children, this is all our chapter. In our chapter, now there is a whiz quiz also. What is a scrap dealer called in your language? Okay, I know you know the answer, so you will write the answer on your own. Okay, now move on to second chapter. Children, our next chapter is team or solo. First, you write date and classwork on top of the page. And what do you mean by team or solo? Children, there are few games which we play alone, or you can say by one person, and there are few games which is played in a team. So here we will discuss few games which can play alone, means solo, or which can be played in team. So let's start the chapter. So first game is cricket. So here there is a blank and there is a picture also. So and again you will get the clue box. So you will write, you will take help from the clue box. And if the game is being played by one person, so you will make one smiley in the circle. And if it is played by more than one, or you can say in team, so you will draw two smiley face. Okay, so first game is cricket. The picture says first game is cricket. And what do you feel? Cricket is a game which played by one player or in a team. So it is in a team. As you can see, two smileys are there. So it is been played with a team, by a team. Okay. So cricket, you will write cricket and you will make two smiley faces. Okay. Golf. A person is playing a golf. And golf is the game you can play alone, means solo. There is no need for team. So this is a smiley. But how many smileys? Yes, you have to draw one smiley. Now, so children, next game is basketball. And in basketball, do you know how many players are there in one team? There are 5 players in each team. And children, they who is going to play, so they decide with the toss. So here you can see basket is there and they need to put the ball. Okay, so this is a team game. And how many smileys we will give? 2 smileys, because it is team game. Next is football, and as you can see, football is also a team game. And in each team, how many players are there? 11 players. Like in cricket, 11 players are there in one team. Same way in football also, 11 players in each team. And again we will give two smileys because it is a team game. See, swimming is not a team game. It's a solo game. So how many smileys we
will give one smile.
Next is gymnastics. And in gymnastic, as you can see, this is solo or team game. This is a solo game. See how nicely they are bending their bodies. So this is a solo game. Now chess. So although one-to-one game is there, but there is a team formation also. So for each player is being played with with its component. So this is also a team game. So we will give two smileys. Next is hockey. And children, hockey is also a team game. So we will give how many smileys? One or two? Yes, two smileys. Now it's time for whiz fact. And in this whiz fact, we will read a very interesting whiz fact. So the whiz fact is Quidditch is an imaginary sport in the Harry Potter book. It is now played in school and colleges all over the world, and Muggles play it on broomsticks. So children, you must have seen the movie Harry Potter. And what is Quidditch? Do you know? A team sport played while staggering broomstick, in which goals are scored by throwing a ball through any of three hoops, is called Quidditch. So you must have seen in Harry Potter. So this is the game Quidditch. And do you know what is Muggle? Muggle is the person who is non-magical person. Is called Muggles. So children, this is the whiz fact regarding related to the sports, and I'll be waiting uh, for your work on my personal window. Please do share your work, and we will be meeting next week. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.